This today's video, I'm going to show you non-VIP outfit hacks and dress to impress. Okay, let's get into it, guys. For today's tutorial, I'm going to create an elegant dress and dress to impress using the coat item and also free item. Okay, first of all, we can go to the dressing room and we can go to the coat item, and I'm going to use this dress. And then I'm going to color it red for the first part. I'm going to go to palette and I'm going to choose this one. And then to make it more captivating, I'm going to apply glitter for the second part as well. Okay, now let's move to this area. Okay, wait. Let me go to this area and then I'm going to use this item and color it the same, and then we need to make it glitter as well. Okay, just change the texture to glitter, and then you can go to this area and then you can wear this sleeves, okay, and make it glitter and also change the color. Okay, and the last one, I'm going to go to this area and then we can wear this ribbon, color it red and make it glitter. Okay, and this is the final result. And sorry guys, the glitter is not showing up. I don't know why, but it used to be like that. But if the glitter is showing up, it will look so great. Okay, and that's all the way to create this elegant dress and dress to impress. I hope this video will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching, and bye.